Good morning everyone, welcome to High Marks Academy. Today I am bringing you the lecture based on the Atwood pulley system. First of all, I will want to introduce myself Khilendra Agarwal, and I have been teaching physics from the last 7 years to the various NEET and IIT-JEE aspirants. Many of our students has been selected in the various prestigious colleges with a very good rank. So on the high demand of the student, today we are bringing the Atwood pulley system. I will try to find what is the tension in the string and what is the acceleration of these blocks in this system. So without wasting much time, let's try to solve it. So here you see that this is a pulley, and on this pulley a string is there, and it is a massless string. It is a massless string, and this massless string is connected with the two blocks M1 and M2. So you see that, let's say this is the force of gravity which is acting downward, that is M1g, and on this mass M2 it is M2g. We assume that mass M2 is greater than mass of M1. So what will happen if M2 is more than M1? So this M2 is going downward and M1 is moving upward like this way. And let's say this is the value of acceleration, and since the string is same, the value of acceleration is same for this mass also, right? So apply Newton's law of motion for this mass M2. So we will get here M2g minus T. This is the value of tension here, and since the string is same, again the value of tension is T here. So M2g minus T is equals to M2 into A, right? And for this mass, the equation is, since this mass is moving upward, so equation is T minus M1g is equals to M1 into A. So we have the two equation, and we have to find the acceleration of this system. So what I will do, I will put the value of T in equation 1. Let's say this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So we will get, put value of T from equation 2 to equation 1. So we will get here M2g minus M1a plus M1g. So we will get M2g minus M1a plus M1g. I will take this side, so M1a plus M1g, M1a plus M1g is equals to M2a, right? Now open this bracket, what we will get, M2g minus M1a minus M1g is equals to M2a. Fine. So we have to find the value of acceleration. So what we'll do, we will take this acceleration this side. So we will get here M2g minus M1g is equals to M1 plus M2. So what is the value of acceleration? So value of acceleration is M2g minus M1g upon M1 plus M2, or you can write that A is equals to G into M2 minus M1 upon M1 plus M2, right? The other thing we have to find in this system is the value of the tension. So we know that, take any equation 1 or 2 and put the value of acceleration. So let's say I will take equation 1, M2g minus T is equal to M2 into A. So we have here M2g minus T is equals to M2 into A, and we have found that the value of M2A is equals to what? Yes. So we get M2g minus T is equals to M2 into value of A. So what is the value of A? M2 minus M1 into G upon M1 plus M2. right? Now try to solve this one. So we will multiply here m1 plus m2 with m2g minus t is equals to, multiply this term, so m2 square g minus m1 m2 g. Fine. So now again multiply this term, so we have m1 m2 g minus m1 t plus m2 square g minus m2 into t, and here we have m2 square g minus m1 m2 on g, right? So this term will cancel out here, and this m1 m2g and minus this m1 m2g. So we will take this side, so we will get here 2 m1 m2g is equals to, take this minus m1t this side and m2t this side, so we will get here m1t plus m2t. So we will get next m1 plus m2 into t is equals to 2 m1 m2 into g. So we will get value of tension is 2 m1 m2 into g upon m1 plus m2, right? So this is the value of tension for the Atwood machine. So the two things which are very important, the value of acceleration and the value of tension, which I found for you guys, and I request you to please visit our channel and see other videos based on laws of motion. We have putting the videos on the student demands. As more and more you solve the problems, and we will like to invite you that please share the topic in which you want more videos from our side. Okay, so till then, all the very best. Thank you. Bye bye.